In this video, I will show you how much I made in the last month from Amazon KDP. And if you are like this type of videos, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and leave a like, since my channel is all about Amazon KDP income report. Every month, I share my earning to motivate you guys to start your own journey on Amazon KDP. So, without further ado, let's jump out to my KDP dashboard. So as you can see, this is my KDP dashboard, and this how many order I get this month. Let me select the last month. As you can see, I made total of 198 orders, and right now I have 649 books. All my books are low content book. Let me see how much I made from this amount of orders. So as you can see, I made total of $254. Let me refresh the page. And I will select the last month. And as you can see, and if you see my other videos, you can see my earnings that are growing every month. My goal is to hit $1,000 a month. So if you want to go with me in my journey, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.